Ona thengia wa thirikari gukorwo ikihinyiriria andu ethi kuyukia mathomo ma kothi cia moko, arũgamĩrĩri mathukuru maya marauga kuri na unyihu wa arutwo mathukuru-ini maingi.
We continue to experience a declining trainee enrollment despite a lot of marketing activities that we have engaged within the institutions. This has affected our internally generated revenue and the optimal utilization of our training facilities.
Sasa shule population ikaanza kudidimia. Tuliposhikana pamoja na ngao DCC wetu na kuambia population sasa ilianza kuchezea the new intakes inaenda 500 600.
Declining enrollment, we want to ascribe it mostly to the funding, but we also need to think without the box. And you need to help us to think without the box. We need to think together, Ngao, and I thank you for coming. I thank you for agreeing to work with us, because kwetu tunasemanga kindole moja haiwangi chawa, si ndio?
No ona gukiri uguo, thirikari kuhitukira ruhonge ruru rwathiite macibu na nini ao kunyitania na anyiti itemi angi niguo kuhunjia ngumo njega ya kothi ici. Mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-ini ruru Ndagitari Esther Mworia mari na murugamiriri wa wagiriru wa mathomo maya Ndagitari Alice Kade moritie unyitaniri uyu niguo kwaramia meke ya mawira thiini na nja wa bururi.
The world is listening. How many qualified artisans are there available in Kenya? Because nobody will come to invest here in Kenya if they do not know we have enough industry workers who can be able to transform their industries into profitable entities.
We have a responsibility to ensure that we inform our youths and everyone who is yearning to get a certificate that they get a duly credible certificate. Because we've already heard about people who have gotten jobs with fake certificates. And to support all of us to get to an industrialized country, we need to move with credibility.
Today's engagement with the national government administration officers will go a long way in enhancing community awareness and encouraging more young people to embrace TVET.
Makiaria mari thukuru-ini wa kibũrũri wa guthomithia kothi cia moko wa Nyandarua no mahinyĩrĩria aria mohĩgĩrĩire kothi-ini ngũrani no makaga maratathi ma kũmarũgamĩrĩra kwĩyandĩkithia thukuru-ini ici nĩguo maheo certificate cia kũmarũgamĩrĩra. Ngiriboti Inooro TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua, njĩtagwo Peter Mwangi.